if the going blows. I'm gonna wind up working in the thick of it. Sunshine through the rain and snow. There's an oily bright Bilgewater baptism waiting below. That's just the wave slamming against the topside sound. Don't let the ever-rolling motion go and get you down. Don't let it shake your steady thread-cutting hand. Keep stealing ribbons from the steel and giving hell to every halyard you can. In spite of all, we're without to fight it out. I'll embrace it all. When every day is like a war between the will to go on and a bit that the world spiral. Turn your head toward the if the sun was always shining in a road I went like we'd be shaking like a leaf. Every God-given night we'd break under the weight of any pressure that was ever applied. We'd be ready when the straw boss calls. He's got an ever-loving bone to pick with money and all. Don't let this condescension get you down. Just have the strength to know you're wrong, and when you're right, the strength to stand your ground. In spite of all, the weird without to fight it all, I'll embrace it all. And every day is like a war. You find no strength from your usual source. There's no peace, there's no rest. Your fortitude's feeling put to the test. And every day is like a war between the will to go on and a wish that the world would spiral into the sun. Turn your head toward the storm is surely coming along. If the sun was always shining and our Lord always light, we'd be shaking like a leaf.